Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Counter-Strike 2 game. So let's get started right away. In order to change your name within the Counter-Strike 2 game, you will need to change your username on the Steam application. So open up the Steam app on your device first, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Now once you are within the homepage, you will end up within the store section. Just click on your current user ID at the right side. Now from the profile page, click on Set up Steam Profile, and now you will be allowed to choose your profile name. Just type in your desired name within the profile name section, and you may also fill up your real name if you wish to do so. After you set up all of your information, just click on the Save button, and now your username has successfully been changed within the Steam application. And once your username has changed, it will also be changed within the Counter-Strike 2 game if you open it up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Counter-Strike 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.